how to fix the Wi-Fi stock on updating IP address problem on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi stock on updating IP address problem on Android step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the fix number one, that is to restart your phone and router. So the first step is to restart your phone and Wi-Fi router, and this can often fix temporary network glitches and help your device to update your IP address. And with that, moving forward to the fix number two, that is to forget and reconnect to the network. So here what you can do is simply go to the settings and tap on Wi-Fi, and after that you can simply go to your network, and from there you can simply tap on forget network to forget your network, and after that you can simply reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password, and this will reset the network configuration for your device. And with that, moving forward to the fix number three, that is to check the IP settings. So here again, go to your Wi-Fi settings, or you can simply scroll through your Wi-Fi network, and from there you can simply tap on IP settings and change it from DHCP to static, and there you can enter the IP address manually, for example 192.168.1.x, and gateway and DNS to match your router network settings. And with that, moving forward to the fix number four, that is to reset the network settings. So here, if the problem still persists, then you can simply go to the settings, and from there you can simply tap on connection and sharing, and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on this option that says reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. And from there you can simply tap on network settings, and this will reset your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. And with that, moving forward to the fix number five, that is to update your phone. So always make sure that your phone software is up to date. So here to check for the update, you can simply go to the settings, and from there you can simply go to the software update or system app updater, and there you can check for updates. And with that, moving forward to the fix number six, that is to check router settings. So sometimes the router may block the new devices. So there you can log in to your router settings and check MAC filtering or connected devices and add your device if needed. And that's it. That's how you can fix Wi-Fi stock on updating IP address on Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.